My iPhone screen protector is broken, and today we're going to replace it. While we're already working on our phone, we might as well clean it up a bit, because poculent and debris get stuck to it, and it's kinda gross. Some of you might also call my yellow wing clear case gross, and I should get a new one, but I think it adds character. We have some alcohol wipes here, and we're going to do a quick wipe around every surface. I don't think anyone wanted to see that, but I'm showing it anyways. It's okay if you're running off to go wipe down your phone for the first time. I'll wait till you get back. I got my new screen protector from Walmart, and I'm surprised to see Corning glass getting advertised. Thumbs up for using more premium materials while keeping the price the same as usual. It was around this moment where I started getting really confused and started to panic with all this packaging. Apparently cheap screen protectors come with aligning tools now, making it almost foolproof and pointless to buy one from dbrand for triple the price. Thumbs up again. After opening everything up, we have the screen protector with an alignment tool, a screen size sheet of dust foil, a cleaning wipe, and a decent microfiber cloth. Now that our phone's cleaned up, it's time to take off the old screen protector. I like to start with something thin, like a piece of paper, to avoid hurting my nails, but evidently paper loses, so I'm giving up and using my nails. Now that the old screen protector's off, we can go ahead and wipe down our screen with the included wipe. Try to wipe the edges most, since they have the highest exposure to the world. While we're waiting for our screen to dry, this gives me the perfect opportunity to show off my iPhone skin. This is the Something skin from dbrand, and personally, it's one of the coolest looks, ripping off nothing. Speaking of nothing, I may have something coming up about nothing, because that makes sense. Anyways, I got bored of waiting for my screen to dry, and realized I have to wipe it down anyways, so I'm doing that now. Good as new. We're going to use the included dust film to get rid of any particles left in the screen. And in case you were wondering, it made too much sense to leave the film on while I prep the new screen protector, so we're holding our phone upside down instead. I'm doing one final check for dust before we align the applicator tool in place and give it a quick press down. Most of the air bubbles disappeared, but I'll quickly take care of the rest. If you have some really stubborn air bubbles under your screen protector, give it a few days and they'll naturally come out with use. I will say, this screen protector feels a lot smoother than they previously did from Walmart and definitely way better than anything off Amazon. They either have a better surfacing technique or top coating, which I'm all for. And just like that, my phone is looking and feeling a lot better, and it's still receiving the protection it deserves. Phones are some of the most used and abused pieces of technology in our lives, and act like tools to help us stay productive. It's important to maintain our tools, saving wallets and the planet. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.